Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the specific Google Sheets document you want to flip. Make sure you have edit permissions and are signed into the correct Google account. Next, change the file locale to an RTL language. Click File, choose Settings, then Locale and pick Arabic or Hebrew. Once done, make sure to save settings and reload the sheet so Google Sheets can apply right-to-left defaults. This initial change triggers the layout options you need. Once the sheet reloads, you will see direction controls. Use Format, then Direction, and select right to left to change cell flow. This flips the visual starting edge. You should also reverse column order manually if needed by dragging columns or using Insert, Cut, and Paste. Google Sheets doesn't auto-reverse column headers. Finally, standardize text alignment. Select all, choose Right Align, and check formulas and references to ensure they still calculate correctly after the reordering. To finish, systematically verify formulas, named ranges, and any references because column reordering can break addresses. Update ranges if they shifted. If collaborators still view the old layout, have them reload the browser or clear cache and ensure their locale matches. Inconsistencies are often local. If something goes wrong, revert to a previously saved version via File Version History or work in a copied sheet first to test changes safely, which prevents accidental data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.